So friends, today I'm gonna show you how to use your D-Link 650 in router as an extender or repeater. How to set up your D-Link router as repeater. So first of all, you need to connect to your router. So I just resetted my router and now I'm just connecting to my router. So you see it has no password as it is resetted just now. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go to the access point. So what you need to do is to click on the settings, then just go to manage router. Now you can access it. You have two ways to do that. You can also open your browser and then gonna search with 192.168.0.1, which is written in your router. Now just write your username and password. In my case both are admin. Now I'm signing in. I've gone to my access point. So this is my D-Link router and now I can access everything. So you can see that there is a router there. It is now in router mode. Now I'm gonna click to the repeater and now you can see I've just entered to the repeater mode. And now what you need to do, first of all you need to click to the site survey. So I've clicked to the site survey and you see that there are lots of Wi-Fi's. So what you need to do, the Wi-Fi that you are trying, the Wi-Fi that is the main router that will provide you the internet, you have to select that Wi-Fi. So you can see that there are multiple Wi-Fi's around there. So this Wi-Fi, the first one is the Wi-Fi that I want to use. The first one is my main Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna select that one. So you see its name has been written here. Now just write the password there. So I've just written the password. Now and click to the LAN IP and therefore you can write the IP address. So what does this IP address mean? This IP address means when you just try to manage access to your extender or repeater, then what IP address should you write? This is that one. In my case I'm gonna write it 5 and I'm gonna show you what happens next. And do not click to the auto configure LAN IP address. Now network name SSID. So I think there is nothing to talk about that one, so I'm gonna write whatever I want. So for example I'm writing uh, loading, and I'm gonna give a password. In my case I'm gonna giving this password, and you see my everything. You just click to save and apply. It will be applied to the router and it will take a few seconds. So I'm gonna wait for a while. Now let's go there. Let's see what happens there. Connected to the Wi-Fi. And now let's just turn.